Okay, I did mention in an overview that a lot of times things are not done because they're hard to visualize. So what I want to do is I want to go back to this problem over here, and I want to graph it. And I'm going to use a technology called Grapher. And the first thing I'll do is I want to graph the sphere. I'm going to type it in as it appears, which is x squared plus y squared plus z squared, and then plus 2y, just typing in what I'm seeing over here, minus 3 equals 0. And that should look like a sphere. Now, I'm going to just make sure this is equalize the axis, which means don't distort it. All right? So I'm seeing the sphere. Now, what I want to do is I also want to type in the plane. And the plane is this thing over here. It's x plus 8y minus 4z plus k. So I'm going to get a new equation, and I'm going to talk about what that looks like to me. It looks like x plus 8y minus 4z plus k. Now I hope you remember we found the k's. Let me go back over here and tell you what the k's were. It was either minus 10 or 26. So I'm going to say minus 10 equals 0. Let's go back to the equation. And that's going to be, yeah, I got that. Let me hit the return button. What do I notice? There's a plane there. And so where's the sphere going to be? So I'm going to just spin this around a little bit. And what do I notice? I notice that sphere and the plane, again, visual. I realize it's tough to know that, but they're touching. All right, I'm going to claim they're touching. I want to do the other one too. And so what's the other one going to be? Well, we'll type that one in too. That was 26, right? So what do I type in there? Let's type it in. It's going to be, let's see, x plus 8y minus 4z plus 26 equal 0. And I see that one too. Now again, I'm seeing two planes and a sphere. And again, I realize it's very hard to understand that you're looking at a picture and I'm saying, oh, they're touching, they're touching, they're touching. We've actually verified that, all right? I'm just kind of looking at this thing over here. Kind of interesting, isn't it? Again, you can zoom into these regions if you want. Well, that was hard, wasn't it? Oh, you know what? I went too far with that. Let me zoom out. All right. And again, it's nice to have software to look at things and get some visual understanding of what we're looking at over here. A sphere and two planes, and those two planes are touching. All right. Thanks for paying attention.